Hi, this is OG. Welcome to Crypto Nights. Become a knight by joining the Crypto Nights Discord channel, link in the description below. Every day on this channel, I share the latest technical analysis and trade setups for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins, as well as the latest cryptocurrency news, industry developments, and updates. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification. It's really, really important because a lot of times I share potential trade setups in these videos, and there's only a finite amount of time before those trade setups play out. So if you are late to the video, you would have missed those trade setups. And in the previous few days, we've had a lot of winning trades on both the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you guys have missed those, make sure you don't in the future by subscribing and hitting that bell notification. Now, let's get on with today's video. Okay, so as always, let's start with the market overview portion. Looking at the total market cap, we are recovering, right? $1.35 trillion. The Bitcoin dominance at 44.6, Ethereum dominance at 17.2. So Ethereum dominance is inching up the past couple of days. So overall, it's a green day, it's a happy day, it's a bullish day. So Bitcoin up 4.3%, Ethereum up 6.4%, BinanceCoin, Cardano, right, XRP, all up. Dogecoin up a little bit more than the rest. Polkadot, right, Uniswap, all up within the 4 to 5% range, right? Litecoin as well. Solana, Chainlink, right? Polygon's the big winner, right? 16.8% up today. Stellar's up, right? Let's see. So all pretty much up in the top 20, right? With a couple doing better than the rest, right? Polygon, MATIC doing better, and Dogecoin doing slightly better as well. But overall, a very, very bullish day. Now, let's move over to the technical analysis portion of the video. Looking at Bitcoin, so we bottomed out here, right around the 29,000 region, and we've pumped since then. We're up around 32.8, right, almost 33,000, and now we are consolidating, and we are forming, right, a potential double top, right? And so we want to be careful now because we have a top here, we have a potential double top there, and the neckline is at 31.5k. So if we break below this, right, then this double top will be confirmed, and we will be looking for a target of around 29.9k, right? Not 21. That would be really scary. So, and part of the reason is because we've had this rally, which most likely was due to the, debate, right, between Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk. So this was very much a by the news and potentially, sorry, having a bad day today, but potentially a buy the rumor, sell the news type of scenario, right? And so price was going up in anticipation of the event, but now that the event's over, right, then we might be ready for a sell-off or at least a correction, because those who bought in here now might be sitting in some good profits, and so they might be taking some of those profits off the table. So we could be seeing some take profit, right, selling here. And so we want to be careful that we don't break below 31.5k. If we continue to go up though, if we, let's say, break 32.4 thousand, then I would say that likely this double top will be invalidated, right? It will not be confirmed, in which case I would be looking for the newest chart pattern for us to trade. Looking at Ethereum, we are in a similar boat, and in fact on Ethereum the double top is actually more obvious, right? It's more obvious. So we have a first top here, potential double top right there, and the neckline of this is at 1930. And if we were to break that, we are looking at a target of around 1825, right? And so one thing that I want to mention for both the Bitcoin and the Ethereum pairs are that both of those are in potential double top, right? Potential being the key word, right? So I am not shorting here, right? I'm not shorting right now. I will be shorting if we break the neckline, right? Same thing for Bitcoin. I'll be shorting if we break the neckline, right? So this is really important. Chart patterns are only confirmed once we break right? If this doesn't break, this is not a double top, right? That's why it's a potential double top. I just want to hammer that in, right? Because every time I post charts like this, right, I get comments saying, "Hey, it didn't break down like you predicted, right? It didn't break down like you said. You were wrong, right? But if it never breaks down, then the trade was never activated, right? Does that make sense? So now moving on to the news portion of the day, and just one story today, and it pretty much ties in with what I already said, right? So with the event between Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk. So, publicly traded automaker Tesla, whose BTC bags were revealed in February, still holds the asset in its treasury, right? And another piece of news is that the entrepreneur, right, in this case referring to Elon Musk, said he personally owns Bitcoin, Ether, and of course Dogecoin, right? And then lastly, right, he said that SpaceX also holds Bitcoin, right? So we did not know about this before, right? As this mentioned, SpaceX's Bitcoin holdings had not been previously disclosed, and so in this event, right, it's actually quite bullish, right? Because one, it's confirming that Tesla has not sold, right? It's $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. It sold some, right, to according to Elon Musk, show that there is liquidity, but overall they're still holding. He's also confirmed that he's personally holding as well, right? And not only Bitcoin but also Ether and Dogecoin, which is why we see those pump as well. And then lastly, this piece about SpaceX, which is this new piece, right? New information, right? That the market previously has not priced in, right? And so that's why we've seen that rally, and we also the reason why I think we haven't really dumped that much, right? At least not yet, right? Because typically a buy rumor sell the news event, we would have seen a larger correction, because the anticipation would have been priced in, and typically, the actual news isn't as bullish as people expect, right? So you have to be expectations in order for this to continue, right? So it's not good enough for the news to be good; it has to be better than what people expect. And so I think with Elon coming out saying that SpaceX also owns Bitcoin, it adds more positive news to what people were expecting, right? I think so. That's why I think we haven't sold off yet, but we should still be prepared because we could still see this sell-off, right, or this profit taking continuing. So we'll have to see if we get more stimulus to pump the markets. Um, that said, right, that's it for today's video. If you guys appreciate videos like this, make sure you do like, share with your friends, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification. It's the best way you can support my work. I truly appreciate it. OG out. See you guys tomorrow in the next video.